let's learn about a comparator. A comparator is a precision instrument, which is used to check dimensions of a workpiece. The dimensions of the workpiece are compared with a working standard. Normally, slip gauges are used as a working standard. Now, let's take a look at the parts of a comparator. A comparator consists of a surface plate, dial holding bar, dial indicator, plunger, knob, and tolerance pointers. Note, the dial holding bar is at 90 degrees to the surface plate. Further, let's learn where it is used. A comparator is used to check workpieces produced with a very close tolerance and dimensional accuracy. Now, let's learn how to use a comparator. In this example, we have taken a workpiece which has a diameter of 20 mm and a tolerance of plus or minus 0.010 mm. The mean value of workpiece is 20 mm. As the workpiece has a mean value of 20 mm, use a slip gauge of 20 mm as a standard, and place it on the precision surface plate, to set value for the dial indicator as 0. Also, since the workpiece has a tolerance of plus and minus 10 microns, set the lower limit as minus 10 microns, and the higher limit as plus 10 microns, with the help of the tolerance pointers. Now, place the workpiece on the precision surface plate, below dial indicator. After that, measure the size of the workpiece. If the dial indicator lies between the higher and lower limit, the workpiece is OK. If the dial indicator crosses the higher limit, the workpiece is oversized. If the dial indicator goes below the lower limit, the workpiece is undersized.